Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Glassdoor company account. Right, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is jump onto glassdoor.com. You'll find their homepage here and make sure, of course, that you're not signed in. Go and look for employers. Go and click on that. Within a few seconds, you will have a menu open up. You're going to look for unlock free employer profile. Let's go and click on that. The first thing you'll do is scroll down. You'll add a work email address and click on continue with work email. You'll now have to enter the password to secure your account. On this page, you'll enter your first name, last name, and then some company details. So your company name, your official job title, and then if you do have any open jobs, you're going to go ahead and just select it from this drop-down menu. If you do have nothing that is open and available, you can select that as well. But I'm just going to select 2. You'll see then you have to consent that you represent HR, recruiting, marketing, or PR, or you're an executive at the company and you agree to their terms of services. Go ahead and click on the checkbox and click on create account. You'll add a company website over here, number of employees, as well as employer type, and then your headquarters city. So you'll just enter that location over here and click on continue. You'll now receive an email to the email address that you added when you started creating your account, and you will then get an update on whether you have been accepted by Glassdoor or not. This should take up to 24 hours. I hope this was helpful.